Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine block heater, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.